Hello aspirants, warm greetings from Activation for you. In the previous video, we have discussed about the CFTRI 2024 notification. While in this one, we would be continuing with the application form as to how to fill the application form for CFTRI 2024. Before that, a good news for all the CFTRI aspirants. Agrivision for you is here with a comprehensive crash course for CFTRI, wherein you get live and recorded sessions, study material, test series, previous year papers, short notes, and whatnot. So if you are interested, give us a call on the number given on screen. Now let's move to the application form as to how to fill the application form, what all things to be kept in mind, and so on. But before that, do hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So moving to the CFTRI application form, we'll type in cftri.res.in. Here you can click on the MSc Admission 2024-26 batch online application. Herein, you need to click on register or login. If you have already created an account on the website, then you can just log in. Since I have not registered till now, so I would be using this sign up. I'll be clicking on the sign up button. Yeah, we'll be registering over here. Now I have registered. My registration is complete. My account has been created. Now your registration, as you can see, your registration is successful. SMS sent to your registered mobile number. Whatever mobile number you have given, you can just check the SMS over there. Now you need to register again to fill in the further details. Okay. So here your login address would be your email address, which you have given during the registration process, and password, whatever you would have set. So you can just type in your email address and the password and log in to the account. Proceed for online application. Now in the application form, they've already given the registration number, my name, upload any of your recent photograph. So yeah, I've uploaded my photograph. Now upload your signature, type in your address. Now herein you can put in your category. So since I'm from unreserved category, I would be putting in that. I'll also show you what all details would be required if you are from OBC or maybe SC/ST category. So herein, if I have written OBC, then they would ask subcategory, that is non-creamy layer or creamy layer. Then over here, you can type in SC, ST, whatever the category you belong to. Okay. Then you can put in your religion. Are you are you specially abled? No. Details of payment. So yes, you can make the payment, and you need to add in here the transaction number. Okay. So you need to make the payment first, and then you need to add on the transaction number over here. So for that, you can just read the notification therein. It is written SBI Collect. You just follow the steps that are mentioned over there. Okay. And you'll be able to make the payment as well. Otherwise, I'll just show you as well. Yeah, so how to make the payment? Basically, you need to click on this URL for the payment. Now, in the payment category, you need to add in HRD. Okay, here you need to add an application form, name of the candidate, address, mobile number, reference or admin number. So reference or admin number is the one thing that many people usually get confused with. Okay, so I'll just show you what you need to type in. Here you need to type in the application fee. Here you need to type in MSc FT 2024-26 batch. So that's what you need to put in over here. Yeah, so that's what you need to put in over here. That is MSc FT 2024-2026 batch. Okay, this would be the reference or admin number, your email ID, Details of the course fee, that is MSc Food Technology. Any other details, this is not applicable. Amount, as per the category, you can see what amount you need to pay. Okay, so I'll just mention over here, like in the notification, it is mentioned application fees for general OBC, EWS, defense industry candidates, industry sponsored candidates is 2000, and for SC, ST, PW candidates is 1000 rupees. So you need to mention this amount. Since I am from unreserved category, I would be putting in 2000 rupees. Enter your details, individual, like your name, your date of birth, your mobile number, your email address, and yeah, you can just put in the captcha, and yes, you would be redirected to the payment gateway. Okay, so I hope this payment gateway is much more clear to you guys. Now here you need to add in the transaction number for that, an amount, whatever it will be, whether it be 2000, 1000, or whatever. So the date of payment, since I would be paying it today, so it will be 18th. So you can pay anytime before the application closes. Okay. You need to upload the fee payment transaction PDF. So here, and please have the screenshot, or you know have the screenshot, or download the PDF of your fee payment, and then you need to upload it here in the PDF format. Okay. Now, preferred place, you need to type in where you are interested to give the exam, or the center, nearest center for you. So, all right, we can put in three options. Mostly, first of the option you would get, but yes, particulars of the parent or guardian. So you can write the name of your parent or maybe your guardian, nation, how he or she belongs to you. Now you need to put in the educational details over here, SSLC or SSC or equivalent, that is your 10th class, your 10th, wherever you did schooling for your 10th class, you need to mention the name. You need to mention the board or university, that is CBSE or any other board you were following. Subject you studied, you need to mention over here, year of passing, percentage, grade. Same goes with higher secondary, that is 12th class, and the degree, that is graduation. Okay, now for degree or graduation qualification details, you need to type in the degree course. That is mine was BTech Food Technology. So I'll just type in that. You can type in BSc Food Technology, BSc Agriculture, whatever course you have done. So it was a 4-year degree, year of passing, then marks or marks obtained. That would be, you can just calculate your marks, CGPA, what you have achieved. Okay. And it would be CGPA converted to percentage. Every college has their document for conversion of CGPA to percentage. So do have a look on that and then provide them any percentage. Okay. If you have the document for calculation of percentage in case of grade declaration, you must provide that. If you have, you can just click on yes. If you don't, you can just click on no. Up to which semester or year marks you are providing, you can just mention over here. Okay, and since many of these students would be still in their final year and they might have not received the final semester mark sheets, so for them the note is written over here. For if the final mark sheet or grade cards are not available at the time of submitting the application form, it may be communicated to CFTRI with your unique registration number on the email address, that is hrd@cftri.res.in. Okay. So you need to, however, you need to send your mark sheets or grade cards before 25th of July. If not, they would be if not, it would be rejected. Your application would be rejected. Now herein you need to put the proof of date of birth. You need to upload your Aadhaar card, PAN card, maybe 10th mark sheet or any other date of birth certificate or anything you can put in here. Graduation marks or cards, you can put in the, you can compile all the mark sheets, make a PDF and then upload it here. Then caste, EWS or defense or industry sponsored proof certificate. So basically if you belong to some caste, maybe SC, ST, or any other category. And if you are obtaining for defense personal seat, if you're obtaining for industry sponsored proof certificate, then all you need to mention over here. If you have any sort of disability, you can just put in the certificate for that over here. Parents or guardians' latest income tax return filed or income proof. So you need to add in this, and this income tax return filed or income proof should be latest one. So before filling out the application, just do have all these documents, and any other document if necessary, you need to give that information as well. So yeah, guys, this was the entire notification. So yeah, guys, this was the entire form filling video, how you need to fill the form for CFTRI 2024 application forms. And yeah, all the best, all the very best to all the CFTRI aspirants for the upcoming exam. And again, if anyone is looking for a comprehensive preparation, Activision for You has launched crash course for CFTRA. You can surely join that up and yes, give a boost to your preparation. So do like the video and share with all the CFTRA aspirants. If you have any doubts, please comment down your doubts, or you can just message us on the number given on screen. We would surely help you out. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.